Luqale ngenothi eliphansi kakhulu uhlelo lokufunda esikhungweni semfundo ephakeme e-Unisa njengoba abanye babafundi besale besakhungathekile.
If they do not decide to extend, how will we be able to now apply or register if there's no, extension dates?
The responsible people must come here, like the registrar of this institution, because he's failing to come to the students. What is he doing? He sent his lower subordinates to come and attend to the case of the students.
Kungakapheli ngisho inyanga eyodwa vo zivuliwe ikole. Abaholi beinhlangano eyimele abafundi e-Unisa sebemise yonke into ophikweni lesisikhungo iSunnyside ePitoli.
We've submitted many memorandums dating from the second week of registration, saying that these are the pending issues that are happening.
Kusenjalo abaphathi beInyuvesi sebedlulise ukuxolisa kwabo ngokuphazamiseka kwesimo. Bethembise ngokuthi bazobeka phambili uhlelo lwabo lokuxoxisana nalabo abamele abafundi ekutholeni isisombululo.
Ideally, one would have preferred a situation where those students who came to campus to finalize their registrations today are allowed to do so, even when we are processing the request from the students. For that regard, we want to apologize profusely as a university for the inconvenience we have caused the students.
Uhlelo lokubhaliswa kwabafundi e-Unisa luqale ngenyanga ephelile. Yizikhala zabafundi eziyizinkulungwane ezingamashumi amane nanhlanu ezivuleleke kubafundi abazokwenza unyaka wabo wokuqala kuhlanganisa nalabo abaphumlele matikuletsheni ngonyaka owedlule. Inyuvesi izibekele umgomo wesibalo sika 376,000 sabafundi bonyaka u-2023.